Hey guys, so we're gonna install mud guards on this RAV4. It's a 23. Here's the part number for the mud guards. I'm gonna open the box up and show you the hardware that comes with this kit. So in the box you'll get your front and your rear mud flaps. With one of the front ones you'll get the hardware to mount the front, and one of the rears you'll get this hardware for the rear. So I like to take this and split it up so I have the hardware for each corner and set that out. So now I got my hardware organized. I got enough hardware for each corner, a couple clips and 2 bolts for the front, and then some of these push-on clips with the screws for the back. So now we can go ahead and install the mud guards. Okay, I like to start in the rear, do both rear mud guards and then both fronts. This RAV we're actually doing a lift on, so if you want to see how we install the lift on these RAV4s, I'll leave a link up above for that. But anyways, we'll start right here on this back corner. Alright, so first these little slide-on clips for the screws. And you can see there's these little tiny little dimples right here. You want to line that up so it goes right over. So you'll have 3 on this side, there'll be another one down here, and then one up a little bit higher. So the third clip actually goes, you pull this push pin out, and then there's this groove. You're going to slide it over that, so your screw will actually go right through there. If you're unsure kind of where the hardware goes, a good way to just check is just take your mud guard and just kind of mock fit it up, and they'll show you roughly where all the mounting spots are. Okay, I got this mud guard installed. You can see there's the 3 screws go here, and then you'll reuse this 10 that you pull out, and then another 10 goes here. So I'll go ahead and go over to the driver's side rear, do that side, and then we can do the front. So for the front, you'll remove this clip, and then down on the bottom, there's a clip here. Remove that, and then when you put the mud guard on, you have your 210, a 10 that there, 10 there, and then you can reuse this clip or use the one that they give you. And then this screw type clip actually goes in this hole here, and then use that clip right there. Alright, we got this side done. Now we can just move to the other side and finish it up. And that's how easy mud guards are to install. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time.